What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix slow or fluctuating download speeds when using the Epic Games Launcher on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, we will adjust the download settings in the Epic Games Launcher. Open the Epic Games Launcher and click on your username on the top right to access your settings. Scroll down to Throttle Downloads and set it to 100,000 kilobytes per second. Limiting your download speed to a high value, such as 100 megabytes per second, will change and potentially increase your download speed. Feel free to adjust the limit. Set the value to 0 to set the download speed to unlimited. You should also make sure that the game files are being downloaded to your fastest storage, such as your SSD. Downloading files to your HDD storage can reduce the download speed substantially, as it will be bottlenecked by the write speeds of your drive. Sometimes, slow download speeds are due to server-related problems. Visit the Epic Games status page at status.epicgames.com. You can see if there is ongoing maintenance, past incidents, or other issues that might affect your current download speed. A VPN can, in some cases, cause connection issues and slow download speeds, depending on which VPN you are using. Disable your VPN for now to see if it helps. Alternatively, if you're not using a VPN, consider enabling one to bypass any potential network throttling and restrictions set by the network owner. I will leave a link to our preferred VPN in the video description. Next, to improve your overall network connection and download speeds, we suggest using a wired or Ethernet connection to your router for a more stable and reliable network connection. You can also allow the Epic Games Launcher to bypass your firewall and network restrictions. Search for Firewall to open your Firewall and Network Protection System Settings window. Select Allow an app through Firewall, and on the new window, click Change Settings. If you're unable to find the Epic Games Launcher application in this list of apps, click to allow another app and click on Browse to open your File Explorer. The default install location for the Epic Games Launcher is in your C drive under Program Files, Epic Games, Launcher, Engine, Binaries, Win64. Select the Epic Games Launcher app and select Open. After adding the app to this list, make sure to check both the private and public boxes before closing this window again. Lastly, to get the most out of your network connection and optimize your download speeds, make sure to close network-intensive processes that might be bottlenecking your download speed. Open up your Task Manager. In the Performance tab, proceed to open your Resource Monitor. A new window will open up, and in the Network tab, expand the processes with network activity. You will see every process using your network connection. Only end processes which you know won't break your operating system. In my case, that would be Chrome, Windows apps such as Skype or the Steam launcher. Lastly, make sure your network adapter driver is up to date. Open your Device Manager. On this window, expand your network adapters. Right-click the network adapter you are using and select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers, which will take a couple of seconds to download and install the latest driver. If unsure which network adapter to update, repeat this step with each one of them. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.